This is the Millet Library, the largest in Turkey and located in the presidential complex in Ankara. Millet has two meanings in Turkish. One of them is nation. The second and more interesting one in this case is a group of people who share common interests. And that's pretty much the idea behind this library complex. The Presidential Library has 4 million books and more than 500,000 e-books. And this section is called Cihannuma Hall, featuring the World Library. It has a collection of 200,000 books on culture and history from 100 different countries in 134 languages. Some of them were donated by those countries, such as this rare copy of the Quran, which was gifted by the President of Uzbekistan.
The architectural structure of the library is unique. It was not inspired directly by any other library. But of course, some elements like the dome may be similar to other famous libraries. The structure has its own characteristics. For example, there are 16 columns in this hall that represent 16 Turk states.
This presidential library also serves as a prominent archive and museum.
We opened two biggest book exhibitions ever held in Turkey. One of them was the exhibition of the most valuable rare books. Downstairs, open to visitors, we have Kashgarlı Mahmud's Lugati Divan al-Turk.
And that book has never been made available to the public. So why is it so special? Here's a copy of the first dictionary of Turkic languages. It was first published 1,000 years ago. I heard about it in school, and it's pretty amazing to meet it in person. Next to this are decrees from Ottoman sultans, and there are archival materials on display. Among them is the 6-meter-long calligraphy by Sultan Mahmud II.
This is a library and also a community center where people get to meet authors and scientists. Young people can attend workshops about natural and technological science and get a chance to learn from academicians in these fields.
But while the Millet Library can boast Turkey's biggest collection of books, it won't for long. Istanbul will soon open its own library with 7 million books. More on that in our next chapter. Sena Arslan, TRT World, Ankara.